1,32,119, including logistic and helmet charges. And if you want to get it by cash on payment, then you have to pay rupees 1,46,439. So here the price of the bag is the extra room price, that is 1,32,119, and there will be included insurance for 5 years. The cost is 11,040 rupees, and RTO charges is 9,300. So the total on-road price is 1,52,459 plus 4,720 logistic. So this will be your on-road price of Pulsar 220F BS6 at Impala. The prices mentioned here, it wouldn't include the helmet. So if you include the helmet, you have to add 1,300 extra. So for my financing option, I got the finance from Bajaj Finance. So if you want to get EMI with 30% down payment, the amount comes 46,439 plus 4,720 for logistic. And you have to pay the logistic amount, that is 4,720 at the time when you pay the down payment. That means it will be included in your down payment, and the total amount with the logistics charge is 51,159 for this bike. This is not the final amount you have to pay for taking the bike. You have to pay another some amount, that is you need to add more on your, and you have to get an accidental insurance of 8,876 in case if you have any incident within 1 year, they can recover the amount of the bike. So it's a normal for every company, I hope so. So the total amount will come as 60,035. So after address proof inspection and verification, you can pay the amount and you will get the bike, and the EMI will come 3,778 per month, and for a tenure of 36 months. So in my case, I decided to pay 80,000 as down payment so that it becomes easy for me to pay the EMI monthly. So for me, after paying 80,000, the EMI comes as 3,023 rupees, and my loan amount will be 80,000. And to reduce the amount of EMI, again I decided to pay them as 85,000 at the time of taking delivery as down payment, including my 2,000 rupees which I use for booking my bride. BAFL is an application where you can monitor your loan details and payment of your loan timely. So for every month, fifth is the date of paying EMI. After paying 85,000 as my down payment, I got a monthly EMI of 2,856. You need to pay add additional 681 rupees as loan processing fee. They call it BPAI. I don't know exactly what is that. And the rest will be the amount you got in your EMI. It is for every EMI you have to pay this amount, 681. So talking about getting the Bajaj Finance, it's very easy and it's very fast way to get loan. I just passed my loan in just 2 days. After applying for the first time, I made all the inquiry and I fill up the forms, and next day they came for my verification of my address and everything, and then on the third day they offered me to come to their office and get a bike after paying this down payment. So it's very easy to get the loan. So I hope you enjoy the video and got some information about this. So if you have any query, please contact me. You can raise your question through comment box, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.